children, the topic for today is HCF. Now, by this word HCF, the meaning of this HCF word is highest common factor. The full form of HCF is highest common factor, or you can also call it as GCD, that is GCF, greatest common factor. Now children, as I have told you in my previous video that prime factorization can be done by two methods: prime factorization, factor tree, and division method. Similarly, this HCF can be found by three methods: prime factorization, common division method, and third one is long division method. We can find HCF, that is highest common factor, by three methods. Now, common factor, common means same, factor means that it comes in which table. Now, in this video, I will be explaining you the prime factorization method. First, let us have example of 24 and 36. Two numbers are there given to you. You have to find the HCF by the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, I have explained you in my previous video that we can do it by the division method. Simultaneously, you write down the two methods and then use your prime numbers to solve it. I am using 2 first. As I have told you that you have to use the prime numbers in ascending order. So here I have used 2, then 2 6s, then 2 3s, and then 3 1s. Unless and until I am getting 1, I am not stopping. Similarly, go for 36. 36 it goes by table of 2, that is 18 times. And then again table of 2, 9 times. Again in table of 3, 3 times, and 3 table 1 times. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are your prime factors which you will be using in any of the division method or prime factorization method. Now what you will do children is, you will write the prime factorization of 24 and 36 in columns so that you can find the common factors in them. This is your common factor, 3 is your common factor, and again here 2 is my common factor. So the number what is common, I am writing them simultaneously, or I should say separately. In place of these 2 2's, I am writing 1 2. In place of these 2 2's, I am writing a common 2, then here 3. So your HCF for 24 and 36 comes as 12. This is what a prime factorization method will be for finding the HCF children. If I talk about the common division method means that you will be writing in common the both numbers in the division symbol. Here I have taken these two numbers separately. In common division method, you will be taking them together. Whether it is 2 numbers are there or 3 numbers are there, you will be taking them together. Then, what the prime number you will take here, you are going to take the prime factor which will be dividing the both. If you are having, suppose for example, 2 divides 24 and 36 both. So, I am taking my prime factor as 2. It divides both the number. Now again 12 and 18, it's dividing by 2 again. The both numbers are coming in table of 2, so I am taking my prime factor as 2. Now, if I take 2 here, 6 comes in table of 2, but 9 does not come. So, I won't be able to take this 2 here. I will be taking 3, which divides both the number. 3 2s and 3 3s. In common division method children, no need of getting 1 here. In common division method, you will be taking the prime factors which divides the numbers present in the common division method. If here you have 3 numbers, so you will be taking a prime factor which will be dividing all the 3, or at least 2. Here I am having 2 numbers, I am taking the prime factor which is dividing the both numbers. So my HCF is 2 multiply 3, that is 12. Now let me have 3 numbers for finding the HCF. Let us have 30, 105 and 165. Three numbers I am taking, children. Now 30 has 0 in one's place, this has 5 at one's place, and this has 5 at one place. So I can use the divisibility rule. Divisibility rule of 5 says that it should have 5 and 0 at the ones place. Here I am having 5 and 0 at ones place, that means it will be going by the table of 5. If I want to take 3, I can also take 3 because it is divisible by 3. If I add, I will be getting it. 3 plus 0 is 3, 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 6 plus 5 is 12. It is all coming in table of 3, so I am taking my 3 first. 3 10 times, then 3 35 times, then 3 55 times. Now again it is coming by the table of 5, 5 2s are, 5 7s are, and 5 11s are. See children, the prime factor what I have taken here is dividing all the 3 numbers. So you will be taking the prime factor which divides all the 3 numbers. If it is 2, it should divide all 2, 4, it should divide all 4. This is why it is called as common division method. So your HCF for here is, HCF comes as 15, children. This is how you will be doing these 2 methods for finding the HCF. On the basis of this explanation, children, you will be doing exercise 3F, question number 1 and question number 2. So I hope children you will be able to understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.